So I tried to fix Linux theming by making a universal Linux themer. It's nowhere near finished. There's lots of bugs in it, and I'm doing lots of things wrong and inefficient, but it works. It's pretty simple to use. You just have to run this, and you got this color picker, and you can choose something. Let's say, let's go with this one, and we're just gonna make it a little bit. Okay, you know what? Let's go with this one. This is a bit lighter. Alright. Yeah, this seems alright. So this is gonna be our main color. This is gonna be used for background mostly, and then it's gonna automatically make like two more, which is the foreground, and this is an alternative color. It's mostly used on non-hovering button and stuff like that. And now if I close it, and this thing will affect lots of stuff. I'm gonna add more stuff later on. First is the Rofi. Rofi is gonna change its color, and if you have noticed, my DWM bar has changed its color too. It's also gonna affect this notification thingy. It's gonna also affect all Qt program, like for example we got VLC over here, we got Qubit Turin. It's also gonna affect ADE's program, like we got Gate, we got Pika, we got Gain Live, Stay. All of them has changed the color. Okay, change it back to purple, and it's gonna even affect GTK apps. The GTK ones are kind of broken, but it works pretty okay for now. And we got GTK 3 apps like this mousepad, and we got Lotus. This is also affected. This also affects all the lib elevator apps. For example, we got this flat seal, we got I forgot, this is some analyzer thing from GNOME, and we got Planify. This is a tool of this thingy. And as you can see, they also got transparent window. This also works with most reliably with only lib elevator, but everything else seems to be broken. In GTK 3 I only get this Thunder browser to work properly with it. This is from XFCE, and all other GTK 3 application will just break if you try to put transparency on them. So this is the only GTK 3 program that works, and from KDE and other Qt apps, they will also break like half of the elements. So I also did not use it on those. I tried to use Coventum and other workarounds, but it was pretty unreliable, so I didn't use it. And one more thing, if you're actually gonna try to use my tool, it's on GitHub, but I will warn you that this is very far from getting finished. There's lots of issues with it, and I will have to continuously update it, and lots of decision has to be taken for how to actually make this software. There is lots of issues here. There is lots of things really complicated, and for now it's kind of okay for personal use. Alright, now on to how exactly this thing even works. Okay, so this is all of the file that get modified when this script, and the script only just modifies the color on the config file mostly. And you can, there is some other option that I didn't implement properly though. One is this font color. You can, if you're like using very bright theme, then you might wanna use black, and if you're using a dark theme like this, white color like this is white, this complete white. I'll try to implement something that would like detect if this theme color is like too dark or too light, and depending on that, it's just gonna auto select the font color. But for now I'm just gonna hard code it over here. And talking about hard coding, also disable font color is also here. This is gonna affect any type of button that is not clickable. So how this script works is it's gonna just run k dialog with this flag. So when you select a color and click OK, it's just gonna give it a color which we will save. And I hard coded the opacity to 70%, and this is a separate script. It's a separate Python script. You can do that in Bash apparently. This basically takes a color and then makes it 15% brighter. This part just converts it to hash to RGB. This is needed for some other files. And also I got the seed command actually got too complex, and I just start doing this thing. Basically it just goes to the CT file and then just replace the second line with this entire thing. It just has everything hard coded over here. I think this is much more simpler than using that entire seed command. So I try to fix most of the stuff later. It's very messed up right now because same thing has been done like 3 different ways in the entire script. It's only 127 line. I already messed it up. And also I have to change the folder color according to the theme I have on, so it will look normal in the file explorer. And yes, I have to also theme the terminal to change this color, these colors, and also this background color is set to black. I have to change that too. And yeah, that's about it about my little script, and it's pretty much broken and I'll need lots of research to actually make it properly functional for lots of stuff. Yeah, this needs lots of polishing to actually be properly useful for everyone. You can contribute to this project by recommending more efficient way to change all of this. You can either contribute in my GitHub repo, or you can just DM me in Discord, or message me on my Discord server, or in my Instagram. Anything will do, and every contribution is welcome. And yeah, that's it. And no, I did not forget that I have a YouTube channel. I just had exam and I had all other bullshit going on over here in my house, so it took me over 6 months to release the next video. But yeah, I promise I'm gonna be more regular from now on, and I will try to upload much video as possible every single month. Alright, goodbye, take care, till the next video.